Network connectors. The different types of connectors used in networking will vary depending on the network and cable type. Let us learn about these connectors one by one. BNC means Bayonet Neill-Concelman connector. It is a quick connect coaxial cable connector used in video, radio, and networking. It is used for analog and digital video transmissions as well as audio. F-type connector. It is a threaded connector typically used on coaxial cables. It is primarily used by cable providers to attach to cable modems. It is also used with satellite internet. RJ45 connector. This is the most common network connector used in networking. It is a 8-pin modular connector. It is used to connect computers and network devices in a local area network. RJ50 or 10P10C connector has 10 contact positions and 10 contacts. It provides superior transmission and resist corrosion. RJ45 UTP coupler. It is used to connect UTP network cables. It is typically used when running a longer cable is not an option. RJ11 connector. It is a 4-wire connector mainly used to connect telephone equipment. It connects computers to a network through the computer's modem. A USB wireless adapter is used to access a network through a USB port on your computer. It allows your computer to connect to a wireless network for internet in the absence of an internal network card. A USB to Ethernet adapter is a device that allows a USB port to be connected to an Ethernet wire if your laptop lacks an Ethernet port. Fiber optic SC connector. It is called as standard connector or square connector. It is pull-pull connector similar to audio and video plugs. LC connector called as local connector or lucent connector. It is designed to compete with the SC connector. MTRJ mechanical transfer registered jack connectors are typically used for duplex multimode connections. Fiber optic ST connector uses a half-twist bayonet type of lock. Due to the large size, its usage has declined. Fiber optic APC or UPC connector. Ultra-physical contact UPC connector offers a horizontal return of light energy to its transmission. As a result, it is more likely to disrupt the signal at the broadcast. APC, angled physical contact, APC connector offers a polished 8 degrees angle connector, thereby preventing the return of light directly into the transmitter. Fiber optic coupler joins or couples two fiber optic connectors together, so the two connectors have to be the same type. This is a brief overview of the network connector. Please watch other videos on this channel to learn more about computers and technology. Hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.